Hello. This reaction to the YouTuber phenomenon which I've encountered a month ago, and this is my reaction to all of that fancy videos or that stuff people are producing trying to become famous. And I'll tell you the story. I always wanted to be a hacker, and so 12 years ago I decided to go that way. And to be clear, I didn't consider myself to be a hacker, but this is why. I can show you how to become a hacker. First of all, I've typed how to become a hacker in the year 2003-2004 into Google, and I've read this document. I will put this into a comment of this video, and I will try to keep this video short. This is how to become a hacker for beginners, for kids, for all of you out there who don't want to be fancy YouTubers gathering likes and views, but to all of you who just want to know something and who, rather than being famous, are here to practice their skills. And the best tool you can encounter in practicing your intelligence and to grow in when you want to grow is a computer in these days. So for all of you, read this hacker how-to, and first of all, here is well documented or well written what does the word cracker means. This is the mainstream understanding of word hacker, someone who breaks into systems and who destroys that systems and doing harm in the community. Those people are well known as black hat hackers. They are pretty smart. They know what they are doing, but they are like thieves or murderers. Because when you are causing harm, you are destroying, and instead of destroying, and just try to become a hacker, which means become a person who understands systems. And after being 12 years in computer and IT business, and I've received my first computer when I was 4 years old or 6 years old. When at the age of 4, I first typed the command into ZX Spectrum terminal, and playing a lot of games, strategies, and so on and so forth. Of course, shooters, but when you want to become a hacker, just read this little how-to. If you are old enough to understand it, you will understand that hackers are persons who understand systems. And when you become a hacker, you can understand any system. You can see system anywhere. And a shopping mall is a system. Forest is a system. Everything is open system, with exception of universe being a only known closed system we know. So here is what I've followed. This 6 verses: to follow the path, look to the master, follow the master, walk with the master, see through the master, and become the master. This is what I followed for 12 years. I had a lot of masters, and nowadays you can find many masters producing their work on GitHub or wherever. They are not fancy YouTubers. They are doing real work. And for all of you who just want to listen and want to become a hacker, just type this little GitHub into your browser, and here are plenty of systems which you can go through and go through the code. It's mentioned in here. Just learn some programming language, learn how to program just a little bit, learn systems. First of all, uninstall Windows. How to uninstall this? It's really easy. Install this. It's much easier than installing Windows, and then you will become comfortable with this little terminal. You will become more productive. You will learn, for example, how to connect to 3 boxes at once. You will know who the root is. You will understand networking. You will understand what a web server is. You will understand what the shell means. What's the difference between bash and ZSH. You will do a lot of really crazy and fancy stuff, but you will actually know something instead of just producing the craziness which is out there right now. When I had the opportunity to be in your shoes at the age of 16, instead of playing crazy games like Minecraft or whatsoever, just go and practice and do something for a community. You can become fancy in a better way than producing YouTube videos. Share this with your friends and learn how to program, learn how to install systems. Maybe one day you will understand this stuff, which is pretty great great piece of software out there, which is available on the free license. One day you can work for Google, for Red Hat, for open source companies. Facebook is currently producing stuff on the on the open source licenses. Go and become familiar with open source licenses. You can do whatever you want. As I've said, you can practice, learn how to program in Python, probably. For example, you will know what I did just now. You will understand TCP/IP. You will understand networking, so on and so forth. Git will be your friend. Just stop the fancy craziness and go and keep busy with becoming a hacker. I will for all of you youngsters out there, I will produce a series of videos which will start with what does CD means. It stands for change directory. What PWD means, which is print working directory. What is cross file system, where was Linux born, and so on and so forth. There's plenty of knowledge out there which you can learn. So